I never thought that I was gonna be off-roading on a RAV4. Not only a RAV4, but this one has a 4th gen Caldina engine in it.
There we go. Oh, easy! Piece of cake now!
Alright, what's going on, guys?
What's up, George?
Bob?
How you doing, brother? Good to see you again.
Welcome to another episode of Toyota Tuesday. It's usually Taco Tuesday.
Okay.
But today we're doing Toyota Tuesday because we do have a special guest right behind us. We have a, what is it, a 98
Toyota RAV4, 5-speed, 4-wheel drive.
One of the sickest RAV4s I've ever seen in my life.
A little bit older, but it runs.
Yeah, the crazy thing about this RAV4 is it's not your typical RAV4. I mean, you can see it looks pretty normal. It has a little kick, you know, you have the nice wheels, you got the rack, you know, but tell us a little bit about what it has that makes this one stand out and different than all the rest of the RAV4s.
So this RAV4 does not have the regular 3S FE motor. It has a 3S GTE Caldina motor, Gen 4. It come off of a 97 to 2003 Toyota Caldina in Japan. So we went ahead and stick that motor in here. It does have a turbocharger, so it runs.
Yeah, we were going up this hill earlier, which, you know, I showed you guys at the beginning of the video, and yeah, it hauled, man.
It does. It does.
The first time we went up, you know, I don't think we didn't get a good idea of how big that hill was, but once you floored it
just takes off, dude. It's my first time off-roading, guys, so this is all new to me, all this off-roading stuff, going downhill, uphill stuff. So I pretty much built this car just for this purpose, but never had the chance to do it. So my good friend Richard, the new owner now from Harbor Tires, pretty much lent me this car again for us to do this video.
To come out. Tell us a little bit about what made you want to stick this type of engine in a RAV4.
So pretty much I kind of do something different other than my MR2s. I went and Google and kind of like went a YouTube video. A good friend named Brian from Canada, his YouTube is RAV4 GTT. He built one of those in Canada.
Okay.
And he does like donuts in the snow and stuff. I'm like, bro, that thing looks sick. So I went ahead and did some research on it. I hit up WireGap from to do the engine harness for me, and pretty much it's a plug and play engine to swap in the car because it is a 3S family, 3S bottom end. So all you have to do is modify the downpipe and your full custom exhaust. And this one does have a level kit, and it is on some Yokohama AT all-terrain tires.
Okay.
So pretty much this setup was what I imagined it when I first built it, and it finally made out here in the off-road scene. So I'm super excited. I love to see this car up, do more some off-roading with you. So.
And now that he's out here, he gets an idea of the type of terrain that, you know, there's gonna have to be a couple more modifications when it comes down to suspension. We were going down, he's like, hey man, I think I need another suspension on this thing, you know? But
yeah, I was a little nervous.
He was telling me that he's building 2 more, so
yes,
man.
So yeah, the next 2, one of them I'm trying to make into a freeway monster, hopefully pushing around 350 to 375.
Right.
Wheel horsepower, front wheel drive. It's a little ugly blue RAV4. And then I have another black RAV4. That one's gonna be more extreme. So that's the one that I think I'm gonna build, like pretty much full on off-road build for it. So
heck yeah.
It won't be anytime soon. So I need the funding for it. So pretty much that's what I do. I just buy old broken 90s cars and just fix them up.
Going down the big hill on the RAV4.
Ooh, a little nervous.
Does it have a 4x4?
It does have a 4x4 with a lock diff.
Let's do it.
Let's do this, baby.
Is it your first time coming off-roading?
Yes, it is. My very first time, so I'm freaking scared right now.
No, this thing's a little beast. You'll be
I'll be alright, right?
Yeah, we'll be in good hands.
Oh, it's not bad. Maybe going up. Oh shit. Oh yeah, dog. This is cool. I love it.
I never thought that I was gonna be off-roading on a RAV4. Not only a RAV4, but this one has a 4th gen Caldina engine in it.
There we go.
There we go.
Hell yeah! Woo! Gotta give it some RPM. That's all.
Hey, let's hear that blow-up valve though.
Oh.
Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this Toyota build. I definitely did. It was definitely fun coming out here and just doing something different, you know?
Yeah.
Like I'm so used to bringing the Tacoma, bringing the Jeep, but when you do bring a different vehicle, in this case the RAV4, into the same environment that I'm used to with a different kick, you know, with that turbo engine, you can hear it in the back of your head, and it's just, it's fun, man.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for coming, dude.
Dude, George, thanks for taking me out here, man. It's my first time off-roading, so I was super nervous going down that hill. I was like, dude, what's going on? And then when I look up at this hill right here, I'm like, bro, I'm not gonna make it. But you know what? It takes the first try, so I got comfortable with it. I'm like, you know what? This engine can do more.
Definitely.
So I pretty much floored it.
I'm gonna show you guys at the end of this video a little part where we went up.
Yeah.
It started like sliding. You're like, oh shit.
Yeah, I got scared, so I froze. Like, oh shit, what do I do?
Yeah, but dude, good times, bro. Thank you so much again for coming. So make sure you guys do me a favor. Check out Bob Fam Instagram, BobMR2. And then when it comes down to his YouTube, it's also BobMR2, right?
Bob Fam.
Bob Fam.
Yeah.
My bad.
No worries, no worries.
But check him out. I'll put all his information down below in the bio.
Okay.
And give this guy, show him some love, man. This guy's doing some hard work behind that garage, man.
Thank you, thank you,
So,
thank you. It's gonna be some
dude,
crazy builds coming up.
Hell yeah. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you guys around.
Thanks for having
Peace.
us.